Discover a hidden paradise where nature, culture, and sustainability meet. Tual, located in southeast Maluku, is an archipelago blessed with untouched natural beauty. Its crystal-clear seas, white sandy beaches, and vibrant marine ecosystems make it one of Eastern Indonesia's most captivating destinations. The local community, deeply connected to the ocean, preserves traditions, culture, and local wisdom that enrich every visitor's experience. With its pristine environment and warm-hearted people, Tual holds tremendous potential as a sustainable ecotourism destination.
Murbold Beach, famously known as Pasir Panjang, offers one of the finest white sands in Indonesia. Just a short trip away, Bayer Island welcomes visitors to peaceful lagoons surrounded by dramatic limestone formations. Tual is home to incredible biodiversity, colorful coral reefs, diverse marine life, and underwater landscapes perfect for snorkeling and diving. Its cultural richness shines through traditional houses, unique customs, and delicious local cuisines prepared with fresh marine ingredients. Whether it's snorkeling in pristine waters, learning local traditions, tasting unique seafood dishes, or exploring natural islands, Tual provides an unforgettable ecotourism experience.
Tual continues to embrace sustainability. Conservation groups and local communities work hand-in-hand to protect coral reefs through restoration programs and responsible fishing practices. Mangrove planting initiatives help preserve coastal ecosystems and protect wildlife. Visitors are encouraged to travel responsibly, reduce plastic waste, respect local customs, and help maintain the cleanliness of beaches. Sustainable ecotourism in Tual places the community at its heart, empowering residents to become guides, homestay owners, culinary entrepreneurs, and environmental protectors.
Ecotourism creates fair jobs and new income opportunities for local residents through homestays, culinary business, handicrafts, and guiding service.
Tual support SDG 14 through coral reef protection, reef safe tourism, and community-led marine conservation initiatives.
Mangrove preservation, sustainable island trekking, and habitat protection reflect SDG 15 or Sustainable Development Goal in action.
Waste reduction programs, eco-friendly visitor guidelines, and sustainable sourcing practices align with SDG 12. These sustainable development goals shape Tual into a model destination for responsible and environmentally friendly tourism.
Travel responsibly. Choose destinations that protect nature and uplift local communities. Support the people of Tual. Your visit strengthens their sustainable livelihoods and preserve their cultural heritage. Protect our oceans and islands. Together, we can create a better, greener future.